What's good with y'all boys, man? We back, another banger video, bro. It's like all I drop is bangers, bro. Y'all gotta do is subscribe, man. As y'all can see, here go the whip right here. As y'all can see, it's still snow on the ground, my nigga. So today we got a banger, my nigga. Today we got a banger. Y'all better subscribe for this one, nigga, because I'm putting my life on the line. Not just my life, but the life of my baby, the life of my car. So y'all better subscribe. You know, for real, man, today we gonna be sliding every corner in my Dodge Charger RT, man. I don't know how to feel about this shit. I be sliding everywhere I go. I did, though I seen the last video. Hey, shout out to y'all though too, y'all got me 400 subscribers. But keep subscribing though, keep that shit coming. But I did this shit last video a little bit. Now I'm gonna just stay on the side streets and just slide around the side streets, shit like that. But all right though, man, I guess I give y'all boys a cold start, especially if y'all subscribe right now. I'm finna give y'all the best cold start y'all ever heard. Hold on. Y'all, we back in the car. Y'all can see the cooling tip is at 104. And I don't know what you're supposed to let your car heat up to, but I just usually let my cooling temp heat up to 100. Like when it hit 100, I usually be like, fuck it, bro. It be cold as hell. Like, I'm cold as hell right now. But as y'all can see, we don't have no gas, of course. So we about to go to the gas station. I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm gonna come back to like the neighborhood where I'm gonna be sliding around, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. So I'll see y'all when I get back to the neighborhood. As y'all can see, we got some gas and we back in the hood. Here go the first corner, we finna slide. Ah! Hey, hold on, all right now. Let me let the window down a little bit. That was a light little slide, that was slight. Hold on. Yeah, I low-key shouldn't have came this way, cause there's hella cars in the street, damn. You brave as hell parking your car on the street in a snowstorm, bro. Somebody found it. Smack your shit. Let me make sure it ain't me. Hold on. Let me make sure I don't smack that shit. Here it is. 300. Alright. Here go to the next corner, y'all. Y'all niggas better subscribe, man, bro. Hey. This bitch sound good, though. My baby sound good when they don't got no traction. Ooh. Hey, I love this fucking vehicle, man. Oh shit, I'm sliding right now. That's not part of the video. Oh shit. Oh, no. I just low-key smacked the curb. Oh shit. I low-key smacked the curb. Bro, come on. Cuz, come on. Alright, we good, bro. It's all ice in the street, my nigga. That's all it is ice. This is a terrible fucking idea, man. Shit I do for y'all. Or y'all niggas better subscribe. Got me fucking up my tripod. Subscribe, well, nigga, you. This bitch is slide. Oh, hold on. Let me go slow down this shit. There go another car on the street, like, y'all niggas brave, bro. I never do that shit. I never park my shit on the street in a fucking ice snowstorm. This a good ass corner to be in right here. We could low-key get active right here, hold on. Damn, cuz. And look, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Look, I'm gonna give y'all some content right now, but I'm not finna ball my shit up for this shit, bro. So, no, I'm not gonna do too much. What are these birds? Get the fuck out the way, this nigga. That bitch big as hell. Damn, bro. My shit sliding. I don't even feel comfortable pulling out of this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how the fuck I'm finna get out of this. Bro, I don't know how I'm finna get out because I can't, like, the street gotta be completely clear because, like, I don't have no traction right now in the back. Damn, bro. Alright, we got all that shit. Alright, we need to find another one of these side streets to hit real quick. Oh, there's 2 cars right there. Yeah, wait, hold on. Right in this fucking I just did a fucking 360, bro. Bro, why am I doing this? Can y'all subscribe, bro? Can y'all please subscribe? Damn, bro. Please subscribe, my nigga, cause I'm tripping, bro. Everybody in the crib put up. I'm out here early as hell in the morning, bending corners, bro. Why? For YouTube? And y'all niggas ain't subscribing, bro. Subscribe, nigga. All right. What's next? Should we slide right here? I don't want to slide to the left. I'm gonna go right. Hold on, I ain't even gonna slide that. All right, we're gonna slide right here. Oh, goodness. Damn. It's like this shit fun, bro. But it's also hella fucking scary because like, when you start sliding for real, at a certain point, you don't have no more control over your car, my nigga. We gonna do this shit for we gonna bend a couple more corners, my nigga, because Lord knows I do not feel like balling this bitch up today, bro. I don't ever feel like balling this bitch up. But today especially, my nigga. Oh! Damn. Hey, bro, I be telling folks, like, you gotta know how to control the whip, though. Like, you see what I just did, though? Like, oh, bro, look, he looking at me. I know he like, this nigga tripping. But you gotta know how to control the whip, though, bro. Like, niggas be scared and shit when they start sliding. You just gotta know how to control that little motherfucker. Oh. Hold on, I think we gonna go. I think we gonna go straight. Well, couldn't get no traction going straight. Left we go. Yeah, you just gotta know how to control the whip, man. Niggas be scared when they be sliding. Bro, you just gotta know how to control this motherfucker, bro. You'll be good on, bro. See me, I ain't panicking or nothing. Shit. I ain't even scared, nigga. I'm a thug, nigga. Fuck you. Bro, let me chill out, bro. I ain't no thug. I ain't gonna lie. I'm terrified doing this video right now. I told you I got a couple more in me. I got a couple more corners in me, cuz. After that, say goodbye. It's a wrap. I'm bending this little bitch right here. I think that's a dead end, yeah. Ah. See, bro? You gotta know how to control the whip. You know what I'm saying? Like, real shit. This snowstorm shit ain't nothing to, you know what I'm saying, to a nigga like me personally. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of niggas don't really like the snow. Niggas be scared of snowstorms, yada, yada, yada. But not me, though. Y'all niggas be safe. Literally. Oh, gang. Look, this bitch is sideways in the street. Hey. All right, now. All right, y'all boys, man. Look, man, I tell y'all what, I got one more corner in me. Subscribe for this last corner, my nigga, because if y'all don't subscribe for whatever corner I be in next, bro, I'm coming to y'all house. I'm really beating y'all ass if y'all don't subscribe, bro. So subscribe for this next corner. Like, no cap, bro. Cause this junk getting wicked out here. I just turned all the way around. All right, let me slow down. It's a big ass truck coming. Then he turned down the corner I was gonna turn down. Man, subscribe, man. We about to, hold on, I'll do a burnout. Damn, if I could stop, I'll do a burnout and then that's it. Damn, I done stuck myself in the ground. Oh, all right, y'all. We've been this one, and then that's it. Cause I ain't gonna lie, that corner was a little weak. I done damn near stuck myself in the ground. All right, we're gonna bend this little bitch and end the bed right here. All right, though, man. That's gonna be the end of the vid. I really hope y'all enjoyed this shit, cause nigga, I didn't. I did not have fun making this video at all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this shit, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.